Can you open this again?
Yes. We'll be right back. What are we making?
Yeah.
Sorry? Souvlaki? So this is how you make souvlaki. She put some spices and the sugar thing and
Salt.
salt? Sorry, my bad, guys. Salt, pepper, and this short seasoning, which you can pick up at Schwartz, I think. And skewer.
This is my first time making this. So, I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, it's not supposed to have vegetables, guys.
How much was it? $25,000.
And we made tzatziki sauce earlier, over here. Can you tell us what's in here? We have cucumber, chopped up garlic, sour cream, and that's it.
Salt, pepper.
Salt and pepper. So this is what you could be having for dinner tonight, according to Rachel Ray. That's what she likes to say.
Can you scratch off one of those?
Which one would you press off?
I think the door renovation on the first floor.
Is that for the first?
You're up to bat, Becca.
Okay, I agree with you.
Time for you to get on camera to skewer stuff.
Okay, so we have left.
And that's the finished product. Look how nice that is.
Think about those two.
Delicious.
I love the terrace garden, but you know what worries me? For just you and me, it's amazing. It's over budget. It's like $25,000 over the budget, and plus there is no way to make a second bedroom. To put a wall in the bedroom, I think this is a big no. A big no to put a wall in the bedroom.
You're just copying her.
So yes, we're doing a big
Steps.
renovation from the top.
Oh, Sam's getting in on the action now.
Can you imagine it?
That means more clicks.
Just skewer whatever. I think try to put the onions, sandwich the onions, the chicken with the onions, so it has more flavor to it.
Oh, you've been told.
The views would be a great place for us to live for a while.
Really? Do you think we're ready for this?
Do you think you're ready? No.
I'm just copying.
Okay, so let's go cut on.
I'm so excited.
Resigned to the fact that they'll have to spend more money regardless of what they pick. People have to customize their new home and select House 1 for $68,000.
I'll take one with just all meat and onion.
No,
Alexander,
you get none of that.
No
way.
It's like so quiet. It's like I can't
No.
believe that we're in the center.
This is YouTube. We gotta show them how to make like the carnivore edition too.
Well, just pick out your vegetables.
Okay, so
Well, the renovation definitely took longer than we expected. But
Huh?
it ended
Miss
up
calls.
well.
Hi, Alice again.
yeah.
I'll call it.
We love this home. Everything is custom made, and it took us a lot of working time to pick the material, to pick the stove, everything's the appliances. We love our bathroom, and Nick was the main designer, but the tiles.
Are you gonna make sounds?
It was awesome.
Do you want me to make
It
sounds?
just feels like a spot.
For your video?
No, I usually just post it as is, raw.
Really? Really? You should make sounds.
Okay, so this is baby.
You want to talk? You guys want to commentate? Well, I'm just waiting for Becca and Sam to finish their skewers so I can show 3 different types of skewer combinations. So that's 3 different people's skewers. And that's how you make souvlaki.
The end.
The end.